Howdy, howdy, howdy. We are multiplying decimals. And to be more specific, we're not rounding precisely. We're going to make some estimates. So just like with adding and subtracting decimals, when we are estimating them, we round them to a nice whole numbers because decimals, yuck, yuck. That makes things tricky. Let's round them to a whole number and that makes things easier. So nearest whole number is the ones place value. I'll underline them just to help myself visually. And then I look to the right. Is this number 5 or greater? No, it is not. So my place value that I'm rounding will stay the same. All the place values to the right, of course, are zeros, so I won't write them in. That's redundant. Look at this guy. Look to the right. Yep, that's 5 or greater. That'll make my underlined place value round up to 3. Now that I've rounded both terms, I will multiply them. 1 times 3 is 3. Boom. Easy peasy. We'll do one more just for fun. Take a look at this guy. Oh, and just to help yourself too, you might want to put a line there just so it's easier to see what's going on. Underline those whole place values. Look to the right. Yep, that's 5 or greater. That'll make my 4 round up to a 5. Awesome. Look to the right. Oh, no, that's not 5 or greater. So my 7 stays a 7. I will write in my operation. 5 times 7 is 35. Awesome. You're going to complete all of these questions. You will use the answer key. You will use the answer key to mark and correct. Notice I crossed off the precise answers and threw in my answers next to it. We can kind of see how our estimated answers are pretty darn close. 3 is pretty close to 3 and 5100ths. 35 is close to 33 and 3/10. Pretty cool. Awesome. Okay. Before you do that worksheet, though, you will be working on this one. So again, just round those factors to a nice whole number and multiply them. Easy. Have fun.